As I've mentioned in the last couple of videos, I'm going to be using two sets of Julie Hickey Designs dies. They are lovely leaves and beautiful blooms. I'll also be using a set of papers from Craft Consortium called Bloom and Wild. They're very pretty papers with amazing watercolour backgrounds. Okay, let's crack on with the card itself. So I started by cutting a circle and mounting that onto black card. I'm going to pop that on the card front. Probably would have been easier to draw around the card first, because what I was doing was just trying to get a portion of it onto that card front according to the layout sketch, which is available for download from my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. But I chose to do it this way and then cut away the excess. Like that. Now the leaves came from the Lovely Leaves die set, and I cut those from black cardstock. I'm using bookbinding glue to stick down these elements, and I'm just basically making an arrangement towards the bottom right of the card using these leaves and the flowers that are coming up. If you'd like to share your versions of this, please remember to come over and join the Facebook group. You'll find a link to that on the blog post that accompanies this video. And you can find a link to that blog post in the description below the video. For the flowers, all of the elements came from the Beautiful Blooms die set. And that was basically one of the big flowers and a couple of the centre bits, and then one of the smaller flowers and a couple of the centre bits. I'm sticking those on with foam pads just to raise them up a bit, and I'm not sticking that large flower directly in the centre of those two leaves. I'm offsetting it a bit to leave space for the smaller flower. For the sentiment, I've just cut 3 different colours of cardstock using that sentiment and mounted them on top of each other with glue, and then using that same glue I will fix that to the front of the card. And that's it for that one. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up if you have, and of course subscribe to the channel so that you receive notifications of more videos from me. In the meantime, thanks for watching.